Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Bronx Lockpicker 60 and today I'm going to attempt to pick a lock that was sent to me by Big Willy The Locksmith. He calls it the Prick number 31 and do not turn 90 degrees. It has T-pins. And that's the bitting. It's a quick set. And if I turn it 90 degrees to the left, it will seize up. So, with that being said, I'm going to pick it in my hand. And I'm going to use HD. And start in the front. Light tension. Oops, let me get a little close here. Okay. I'm going to start in the back. And I got number 3. That was 1. 4. That's it. Okay. I'm switching to Peterson's excuse me, gem. Alright, that's felt like 4. I'm not saying much because the lock is not giving me any feedback. Trying to pay attention to what I'm doing here. I have not put a pick in it. We go with the forest diamond. Haven't picked a lock in my hand in a while, so it's a totally different feel. Sure is. I lost no feeling in this lock. Oh, there we go. It opened up on 5. I apologize for the silence. Let me. I don't want to spill my coffee. All right, let's see what Big Willy put in this bad boy. Let me back up a little bit. And as he stated, has T-pins, so I am going to shim it. As I suspected, it's a skeleton core. We get a pick here and show you that 4 and 5 were overset traps. 1, 2, and 3 needed to be picking. I see a T-pin in 3. Looked like maybe some counter milling, undercutting in 1, 2, and 3. And looked like he tried to do some cuts here on the side, probably for the T-pins in the Bible to catch in there. So let's stump these out. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 is a T-pin spool, 4, wow, that is nice. I gotta show you that. And 5 is a multiple serrated. Come on, baby, focus. There we go. Excuse me. Looks like every chamber in the core is undercut. Okay. This is what I was referring to. It's a spool with really fine serrations on the top and a fine serrated on the bottom here. And this one here is, I call that multiple serrated or a double spool. This is the T-pin spool. And 1 and 2 are standard. Excuse me again. Alright, let's see what we have in the Bible. That's standard. Steel spring. Number 2 does not want to come out. Alright, give me a second. Maybe more than a second. There we go. Tweezers, get this. Okay, number 2. It's a spool or very fine serrated with a copper spring. Oh, that was number 3. Number 2 did not come out. Wow. Alright, let's move on and I'll come back to that one. And 4 is standard. With a shorter copper spring. Let's go to the rear. Sorry about that. Oh, 5 standard. Where did it go? Where did it go? I can have it. think I lost it. It fell. It was a copper spring as well. I'll find it here in a minute. Huh. Okay. So, oh, here it went. Okay. Now, try to get number 2 out. Wow, that sucker's in there. It is in there. Alright guys, I don't want to waste any more of your time, so pardon me, Big Willie, but I'm going to have to take this apart so I can get that out. It's taking me longer to dissect this lock than picking it. Okay, so as we see, number 2 is a copper. Where's my probe? There we go. Grab it. I'm losing everything here. Oh wow, this is the mother of all T-pins. This is Franken T-pin. Check that out. I don't know if he meant to make it that way, but it is a Franken T-pin. Okay. So here we go. As I said, 1, 2 standard, 3 a T-pin, serrated T-pin, 3 a serrated spool, either a double spool or serrated, standard, Franken T-pin, a serrated, standard, steel, and 4 coppers. And let me get my heavy duty flashlight. And nothing was done to the top. Alright guys, I appreciate everyone tuning in and watching. If you like what I do, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of my next video. And little by little, I'm getting up to my 100th video, which I'm waiting on some packages to come in to announce the giveaway package that I'm doing with collaboration with Steel Pinnings, Big Willy The Locksmith, and some contributions from fellow pickers. It's going to be one of my biggest ones yet, and stay tuned for that announcement. Please be safe, stay legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye-bye.